And so now for the sale of the day, this pair of Happy Bins Day, everybody. That is Wednesday, where we go to the bins, aka Bins Day. Looking forward to this. The budget is $100. Remember that everything that we pick up today, we're giving 10% of it away to one lucky subscriber who does the things that need to be done in order to enter to win. All right, so let's jump in there. I'm focusing on shoes today. I want to ideally pick up 30 pairs of shoes. That would max out the $100 budget. Let's jump in and see what we find. Another rest in pieces right here, unfortunately dead. Vans, slip-ons. We'll do a quality check on everything after. Clarks. Not terrible. Oh, Bionic, nice.
Like looking for a needle in a haystack.
That's what I'm saying.
I like this, and I can't find the other one for nothing.
Did you find that one in this bin?
No, I found
Over
it
there?
over there.
Okay. Well, I'll keep an eye out. If I see one that looks like that, I'll hand it off.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Boots.
Yeah. I found these. I've got 3 pairs right here. 2 pairs of Echo shoes, and then a pair of kids Timberlands. I can't find the pairs to those either. No.
Need to get Shayla back here. She's good at that.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I'll keep an eye out for that one that you're looking for.
Thank you.
Yep.
I don't think it'll probably show up. It may be in somebody's cart.
Could be.
They found one and didn't find the other. Oh, there it is.
Where's it? Oh, I'll get that for you.
Right there.
There you go. Yep.
Yeah.
It's a good looking pair.
Pretty cute.
Yeah. Tiva, Merrill. Justin boots are destroyed on the bottom. There we go. Merrill. Oh, more Bionic. Oh, Lucky Brand. Here we go. Found the pair to this. It was in a different bin. Lucky Brand sandals. Crocs are destroyed. This lady just threw these Crocs back. I will take them. Look at this. Ed Hardy. People just bypass it. Great condition. Got a pair of Crocs espadrille wedges. Really solid find. Another pair of Sperry's. We find these all the time at the thrift. A pair of Merrill slip-on shoes, clogs, mules. Great. Of course, the infamous shape-ups, destroyed, dry rotted. Watch out for those. Got a pair of LL Bean loafers. Not bad. And then Vans. These are the boat shoe style. Solid sales for those. I couldn't find the other sandal for that pair of Nike flip-flops, so I threw it back. Got this great pair of Cole Haan 0 Grand casual shoes. Really nice. They definitely need to have some cleaning done to them, but overall really good condition. These sell really fast. Basic pair of Toms, a quick 20 bucks, bread and butter, easy. Got these Kenneth Cole Reaction Across the Desert loafers is what they're called. They're pretty scuffed up. I'm not sure if I'm going to sell them as is in the scuffed kind of weathered look or if I will polish them up, but confident that we'll get them sold. All right, so we finished up in the bins. I was able to pick up 25 pairs of shoes and 2 stuffed animals for a total of $80 out the door. So because we got 25 pairs of shoes, 10% of that is obviously 2.5. Can't give away 2.5 pairs of shoes. So we're going to give away 3 pairs of shoes. We also picked up, in addition to the shoes, we picked up these 2 Build-A-Bear, My Little Pony, Unicorn, Pegasus, whatever they are. Before we go home and start divvying everything up, I'm gonna be heading over to Plato's Closet. Today's their 70% off sale. And then on top of that, I have a $10 coupon. I get 10 bucks off if I spend more than $30. Here we go into Plato's Closet, 70% off select items today. Let's see. $5 on all these? Holy cow. $5. Yeah. All right, guys, so we locked in 5 pairs of shoes at $5 each. On the table, there was a very limited selection of shoes. However, they were all $5 a piece. So we got this pair of Vans. We've got a pair of Nikes. All of these are relatively good condition, somewhat dirty on a couple of them. This pair of camouflage Vans, really cool pair. This pair of kind of a minty green pair of Authentics. And then this pair of Nike running shoes, pretty dirty, but we'll get those cleaned up too. I'm gonna run over to Once Upon a Child and check out their kids selection because they typically have a fairly decent selection of kids shoes that we can pick up for a few bucks a piece. The way that Once Upon a Child does it in my area is they put their shoes in bins and then you pull out the bin, you find the shoe. Typically, if it's less than $14, both shoes will be in the bin. If it's more than $14, they hold one shoe behind the counter. So I picked up this pair of Jordans right here and it was $14, not on sale, no discounts, no nothing, 14 bucks. I found this pair and I thought these are great, awesome condition. A little bit of paint flecking down here, but even in this condition, these sell really well for a good profit. So I went up to the counter. I was like, hey, I'm ready to check out. I just need the other shoe for this. They pulled it out of the bin. They threw it in the bag. I did not check it out first. I did not get to look at it first. Got home, noticed that the paint here on the outside, the black paint is totally peeled off. So I'm kind of debating on whether I should put rubbing alcohol on this, strip the paint and repaint it black. I have Angelus black paint for sneakers. Or if I should just sell it as is and make that known to the buyer. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. The next item from Once Upon a Child is this pair of black and yellow Keen waterproof sandals. I bought them for $4.50 and I should be able to get around $30 shipped for these. So not a bad pair. Definitely they're clean and it's worth it. The third pair that I got from Once Upon a Child is this pair of Nikes. I paid $12 for these, so a little bit higher than I typically want to, but these have solid comps, and I think we can sell them pretty easily. They're very clean. They have a lot of tread on them. Really nice pair of Nikes. All right, so now I'm introducing 2 segments into my video that will go on from here on out. For every video, I'm gonna show you, first off, what the sale of the day is. And so basically that just is the one item that really stands out to me that is the best sold item of the past day or so. And then the second segment is the find of the day. And so in this case, I'm gonna show you the find of the day. And so I guess The find of the day. And it's these right here. These Jordans I paid $12 for. The comps are absolutely incredible. Can't believe that I found these. Now, to be fair, I left a lot of shoes behind because I don't want to go in and completely wipe out the store where so many people, including my family, source for their kids. And so I was very respectful and careful to not wipe out the entire store of all their good shoes. But I did pick a few pieces out. This is the find of the day. This pair of Jordans. And so now for the sale of the day, this pair of Adidas Crazy 8 Kobe Bryant's, got them from the thrift store for $5.50. This was before Kobe went over to Nike. He was with Adidas. And so sold these for $76, free shipping. I had them listed for $89 and I ran a sale on my store, sold them within a few hours of starting that sale. Very happy to get these sold. And so that is the sale of the day. We had tons of sales last night, some really good stuff from the bins, from the regular thrift, from garage sales, but this was absolutely the #1 sale of the day. I'm so pumped that these sold. I'm gonna get these packaged up and shipped out right away. And now for those of you that stuck around to the end, for the giveaway from this bins haul, I'm very happy to share this with you. So for the 2 things that you need to do to enter into this drawing, 2 things: like the video and then take a picture or a screenshot of this video. If you're watching on your phone, take a screenshot. If you are on your computer, take a picture with your phone and then upload it to an Instagram story and tag me in it. That's just adding a photo to your story and then tagging at official.flipnick. There it is. And you will be entered. I'm gonna go through all of those tags that I get. I'm gonna put them in a randomizer and I'm gonna pull a winner out in 72 hours, 3 days. I did have a couple people that came in late to the last drawing, and so I'm gonna give 72 hours to get a winner picked. Very excited about this. Let's go over what you'll be winning. 3 pairs that you'll be getting. First off, the lowest priced item is this immaculate clean pair of Crocs slides. These are absolutely immaculate. I'm not sure that they've ever been worn. These are men's size 6, women's size 8. If you want to keep them for yourself, keep them. If you want to sell them, sell them. Crocs slip-ons. The second thing that you'll be receiving if you win is this immaculate pair of Merrell hiking or walking shoes. Incredible. They have great tread. The insoles are still super clean. I don't think these have ever been worn. A very clean pair of Merrell outdoors shoes. And then finally, number 3 is this pair of Ed Hardy slip-on shoes. Now, they don't come with laces because they have the elastic inside. They're not meant to have laces. But the Ed Hardy Tiger shoes, these sell anywhere from $30 to $50 depending on the condition. This is a very good condition. It is a little dirty. You'll have to put some sweat equity into cleaning these. The tread looks awesome outside of being just a little bit dirty, but a really great pair. I'm happy to be able to pass these on to someone to help someone else's business, to pour into them. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe, take a picture, share to your Instagram, tag me, official.flipnick, and I'll see you on the next video.